In this video, we are showing real working recording, and then we check machine structure in details. All truth. Now it's digging water pipe trench. Now we are planting cash crops and deep plowing with 50 cm practice. Here is digging in mud. Going behind a pickup truck. Operating level is ergonomic design. Vacuum tire with speed up to 80 km/h. This is 9 HP gasoline engine. On pins have oil filler, which could increase service life. High pressure pipes of hydraulic oil are with protective sleeves. Steel picking finish will not rust. Traction components used for towing, ready for pickup trucks, ATVs, UTVs. This is hydraulic gear pump, oil return pipe, hydraulic oil filter. Body is also hydraulic oil tank, which is good for dissipate heat. Spring seat chair, and it feels really good. 2 level for control with ergonomic design.